YouTube channel. So let's begin today's session. Control and coordination chapter. Okay, control and coordination chapter. So what we are going to see? Few important questions we are going to see now. Okay, shall we start? Okay, please give like and comment and share, my dear students. So let's start today session. Okay, the first question here: which part of the plant shows positive geotropism and why? Two questions are there here in this question. Which part of the plant shows positive geotropism and why? Okay, no issues. See here, already we know what plants, and this is earth. Earth means what? It is having gravity. Gravity, the movement of plants, the movement of parts of the plants towards the gravity is known as geotropism. Geotropism. The question is which part of the plant shows positive geotropism? Positive geotropism, the roots. Yes, roots shows the root is a part of the plant which shows the positive geotropism. Clear? And what they have asked, why? Yes, why the roots show positive geotropism? Due to differential growth caused by unequal distribution of auxin. What is auxin? Auxin is a plant hormone. Okay, auxin is a plant hormone. So due to differential growth caused by unequal distribution of auxin. Is it clear, students? Okay, no issues. So let's continue. So this is the first question: which part of the plant shows positive geotropism and why? Okay, next one: what is parthenocarpy? Actually, for state level students it is not there. What is parthenocarpy? Okay, let's discuss this one also. Extra knowledge we will get. Parthenocarpy is nothing but it is the formation of seedless fruits without fertilization, students. No fertilization, without fertilization. The formation of fruits without seeds. Seedless fruits, we call it as a seedless fruits. Okay, so this is called as parthenocarpy. So the next question: name three disorders which occur due to improper secretion of growth hormone from the anterior lobe of pituitary. Means here you have to tell three disorders. Disorders means like diseases. Three disorders you have to tell because improper secretion of growth hormone. If growth hormone is not secreted properly, three disorders will come. So one is dwarfism, gigantism and acromegaly. Okay, what is the answer here? Dwarfism, gigantism, acromegaly. Dwarfism already you know. What? Secretion less, no secretion or less secretion of what? Growth hormone. That is known as dwarfism. What is gigantism? Excess amount of secretion of growth hormone causes gigantism. Another one is there, acromegaly. What is acromegaly? Excess secretion of growth hormone after adolescence, students. After adolescence, after teenage, huge amount of growth hormone releases and it leads to overgrowth of jaw bones. Jaw bones means what? Lower jaw, upper jaw. Okay, and hands, feet. These all will grow because of excess secretion of growth hormone after the adolescence. Though this is known as acromegaly. So this is also not there for state syllabus. Okay, CBSE it is there, no issues. So next one, fourth one, Here, name the endocrine gland which secretes neurohormones. Who will secrete neurohormones? Neurohormones will be secreted by hypothalamus, students. Hypothalamus. This hypothalamus has control centers of what? Hunger, thirst, fatigue, sleep, body temperature, okay, and also sweating, and also emotions. So these all will be controlled by hypothalamus. So hypothalamus will control or regulate these all the things, okay. So it secretes hence its secretion, it has the control centers of hunger, hence it what the secretions of pituitary. Hypothalamus always what releasing hormone. It tells to the brain, it tells to the pituitary, to release, yes, pituitary gland. Amar, thank you so much for wonderful answer here. Very nice, good. Amar is giving exactly perfect answers here. Okay, fifth one. Let's move towards the next question. Fifth one. Why endocrine glands release their secretion directly into the blood? Amar, can you give answer to this one? Fifth one. Why endocrine glands release their secretion directly into the blood? Okay, no issues. So let's discuss here. Endocrine glands are there now. These are ductless glands, students. Ductless glands means they do not have any ducts to release, and the products have to act at a distant site. Distant site means in different sites, and also having a very long distance. Pituitary release growth hormones means the growth hormone have to go to far away place, hands, feet, tip of the hands, tip of the feet. So hence, therefore, endocrine glands, they release their secretion directly into the blood. Is it clear? Once again, I am going to repeat the answer. Why endocrine glands release their secretion directly into the blood? Endocrine glands are ductless glands, and products have to act at a distant site. Therefore, they release their secretions directly into the blood. Clear? Sixth one. So, which is the posterior most part of the brain? Name the cavity present in it. The posterior most part of the brain is nothing but medulla, students. Medulla. Okay. This medulla is the posterior part of the brain. Okay. And name the cavity present in it. Which cavity? Fourth ventricle. Okay, fourth ventricle. It is not there for state syllabus. No. Okay. Seventh one. Let's move to the seventh question. Give the function of any one hormone secreted by anterior lobe of pituitary. Anterior lobe of pituitary gland releases or secretes which hormone, and give the any one function. Anterior lobe of pituitary releases growth hormone, students. GH, growth hormone. So it regulates the growth of body, bones, muscles and tissues. What is the function of growth hormone? It controls the body, growth of body, bones, muscles and tissue. Let's see towards the next question, eighth one. What is phytohormone? Name any two phytohormones. Phytohormones are nothing but what, students? Plant hormones. Simple. Okay. Phytohormones are naturally occurring organic chemical substances in plants. What are uh, phytohormones? Phytohormones are naturally occurring organic chemical substances which control and coordinate various activities of the plant. And also name any two phytohormones they have given. There are so many are there. So auxin and gibberellins. Auxin and gibberellins are the two what phytohormones. Is it clear, students? What are phytohormones? Phytohormones are nothing but they are naturally occurring organic chemical substances. Naturally occurring organic chemical substances in plants. Auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, and again abscisic acid. Auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, these all are what? Growth promoters, and abscisic acid is growth inhibitor. So let's move towards the next question, students. Ninth question. Distinguish between voluntary and involuntary actions of our body. Distinguish between voluntary and involuntary actions of our body. Voluntary actions are under the control of our will. Voluntary actions are under the control of our will. Example, talking, walking, sitting, eating, okay, writing. These all are under our control. जो भी है ना हमारा कंट्रोल में रहता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? हमारा विल के कंट्रोल के अंदर रहता है वॉलंटरी एक्शंस. The actions which are not under the control of our will are called involuntary actions. जो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं रहते हैं इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस. एग्जाम्पल्स क्या है बोल सकते हो? सलाइवेशन, हमारा मुंह के अंदर थूक आते रहता है, सलाइवा आते रहता है, हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते उसको. इनवॉलंटरी एक्शन सलाइवेशन. हार्ट बीट, वॉमिटिंग, बहुत सारा है. रेस्पिरेशन. The actions which are not under the control of our will are called involuntary actions. Fine. Let us move towards the next question. Why is the use of iodized salt advisable? Iodized salt, why it is advisable, students? Because see, iodine is there now. This iodine from iodized salt is absorbed in our body, which helps in the formation of thyroxine. This iodine from the iodized salt is absorbed in our body, which helps in the formation of thyroxine, hormone secreted by the thyroid gland. ये आयोडीन है ना, थायराइड ग्लैंड को जाकर थायरॉक्सिन रिलीज करने के लिए हेल्प करता है. ओके, सो आयोडीन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर बॉडी. वी हैव टू कंज्यूम आयोडीन, स्टूडेंट्स, अदरवाइज वी मे गेट goiter. Deepak Kumar said hi here. Thank you so much, Deepak Kumar, for joining my YouTube live session. Yes, please mention your place and school name also, so it is what I can understand from where you are attending my live session. Okay, fine. Yadgir, Deepak Kumar from Yadgir. Oh, medical student, Dr. Deepak Kumar. Wonderful, very nice. So let's move towards the next question, students. Yes, Deepak, thank you so much. My student Deepak Kumar commenting here, and this Deepak Kumar has already become the studying MBBS. So Nice job, commented by Deepak Kumar. Thank you so much, Deepak. Love you, and all the best for your future also. Okay, fine. So next question, students, 11th question. There is a need of system for control and coordination in an organism. Justify the statement. See, first we have to understand the question. If we understand the question, 50% almost the job is done. There is a need of a system for control and coordination in an organism. Already it is there, but why it is needed? Justify the statement. So answer is advanced and complex organisms. Advanced and complex organisms means what, students? Highly well developed organisms. Human beings, monkeys, horses. Okay? Advanced and complex organisms have specific organs. They are having specific organs for what? For specific functions. All organs should function in a perfect coordination. All organs should perform in a perfect coordination. To facilitate this, there should be a system for control and coordination. Once again, the answer, okay? Advanced and complex organisms have specific organs for specific functions. All organs should function in a perfect coordination. To facilitate this, there should be a system for control and coordination. Okay, fine. Easy. Very nice. So let's move towards the 12th question here. 12th question. What is the 12th question here? Which one of the following actions is an example for non-directional movement? Here two options they have given, first one and second one. Which one of the following action is an example for non-directional movement? Matlab, there is a movement is there but not having any directions towards the water, towards the light, towards the gravity, towards the chemicals. नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, बट मूवमेंट है, डायरेक्शन नहीं है उसका. ओके, बेंडिंग ऑफ रूट्स टुवर्ड्स द वाटर, ये तो इसके अंदर तो डायरेक्शन दिख रहा है. वी आर सीइंग द डायरेक्शन इन दिस वन. सो नॉन डायरेक्शनल मूवमेंट दे हैव आस्क्ड. सो फर्स्ट वन, मूवमेंट इन टच मी, व्हाट टच, मूवमेंट इन टच, सेंसिटिव प्लांट, touch me not plant, mimosa pudica. Yes, this plant, there will be a movement when you touch the leaves. So movement in touch sensitive plant is the correct answer here. 12th one, option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, clear? Let's move towards the next question. 13th question. Name the hormone responsible for phototrophic movement of plant. We have to tell the hormone name. Phototrophic movement of plant, promoting cell division in plants. Phototropic movement in plants, which hormone is what responsible? Auxin. Auxin is responsible, students. Auxin. Cell division, cytokinin. Cytokinin. Rapid cell division in seeds and fruits. Who will promote the cell division in plants? Cytokinin. Cytokinin. Phototrophic movement of plant, auxin. And growth of stem, growth of long stem, gibberellin. Growth inhibitor, growth, who will stop the growth? Abscisic acid. Okay, clear? Yes. Next, what could be the possible disadvantage if reflex action were controlled by brain? Yes. See, reflex actions are already, who is controlling in our body? Spinal cord is controlling in our body. Okay, spinal cord is controlling in our body. If these reflex actions are controlled by brain, what happens is the question. the action time would be longer. What? Action time would be longer, and the response to any stimuli would also have taken more time, and there may be a harm for the organism. Hence reflex action, who is responsible? Brain is not responsible, spinal cord is responsible, students. Is it clear? Successfully we have completed 14 questions, students. 15th question. So let's see here what 15th question is: why is pituitary gland is called master gland? Why pituitary gland is called master gland? So pituitary gland controls and coordinates the secretions of all other endocrine glands. This pituitary gland is there now. It controls and coordinates all the secretions of what? Endocrine glands, students. All the secretions of endocrine glands. Hence, pituitary gland is called what? Master gland. Clear? Yes, students. So if daily, if you attend my live session, views will be more. If views will be more, then I will continue my live session. So daily I'm going to conduct the live classes. If the views will be more, if you share to your friends also, you have to see the complete video, and if I get some likes from you, okay, comments from you, positive comments from you, daily I'm going to conduct the live session. Okay, students. So today we have completed the 15 important questions. So if views will come, definitely I'm going to conduct the live session continuously. So please subscribe, like, and comment, my dear students and friends. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye, students.